Good afternoon, everybody. This is Brad Langdon, MarineMax Stuart. This afternoon, I'm going to walk you through a 2026 19 SPX Sea Ray. We'll start up front with your walk-through windshield. You have ample seating up front, port and starboard sides with grab rails and speakers. This boat's equipped with the Infinity vinyl flooring. You have storage underneath the port side here and a glove box on the port dash. At your steering helm, you have a Simrad conveniently located, flush mounted. All your switchers are easily located. Your helm chair is going to be a captain's chair with a fold-up bolster. You also have in-floor storage in this boat. And you have some stadium seating out back. Very much comfortable for your seating on the 19. You have a large storage area back here in the center. You have your battery storage off to the port aft corner. This boat's equipped with a Mercury 150 outboard and sea deck flooring. If you'd like to see this boat sometime soon, stop by to MarineMax Stuart. Thanks again.